Hi everyone. Today we'll walk through how to launch your token sale on Solana using the Bitbond token tool. No coding required and no complicated menus. By the end, you'll have everything you need to share your sale link with your community. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to tokentool.bitbond.com. Create your Solana SPL token if you haven't. Go to Token Tool, Create Token. From the drop-down, select Solana. Now connect your Solana wallet, Phantom, Solflare, whatever you use. Fill in the details. Upload your token's logo, token name, symbol, initial supply, decimal, and other metadata you want. Then, accept the terms and conditions. Click Create Token and confirm the transaction in your wallet to pay the fees. Once the transaction is complete, a confirmation modal with your token's contract address and a link to the block explorer will appear. This is the foundation. Without this token, you can't launch the sale. Step 2. Select Create Token Sale. Choose your token from the list or paste your contract address and click Continue. Step 3. Decide how your investors will pay. Most choose USDC to avoid price volatility, but you can also choose another SPL token. Set your token price, for example, 1 USDC per token. Set a hard cap for the maximum amount you want to raise. You can also configure minimum and maximum investment per wallet. Then choose when the sale starts, how many days it runs, and continue. This sets the stage for your sale and helps build trust with investors. Final step. Review everything. Payment token, price, caps, and total token on sale. Once you're done, click Create Sale. Your wallet will pop up to confirm. You'll get 2 things: your token sale contract address and a shareable link for investors to join the sale. Share it with your community. That's how people join in. And that's it. You're ready to launch your token sale on Solana using Bitbond Token Tool. Want more no-code Web3 guides? Follow us and check out more tutorials. Happy launching!
Bitbond Token Tool. Tokens made easy.